Hi guys. So first of all, if your mesh is showing double-sided phases, make sure to go to viewport shading and enable backface culling by unchecking the box. This will help make your geometry clearer. Once that's done, let's get started. Switch to the front view and press Shift and A to add a cube. Adjust its dimensions, set it to 0.5 by 0.5 for X and Y and 8 meters high for Z. Rename this object Wood Structure 01 for better organization. Next, duplicate the cube with Shift and D. Right-click to reset its position and hide it with H. Rename the duplicate for clarity. Now let's work on the original cube. Rotate it by pressing RY and -45 to align it diagonally. Move it into position using G and Y until it looks about right. You might need to tweak the rotation slightly for better alignment. Press the arrow keys below Delete and End to navigate, or adjust it again with R and Y if necessary. Once it's positioned correctly, move it further along the Y-axis by pressing G and Y and entering a value like 7 meters. Next, add an array modifier, set the X offset to 0 and the Y offset to -3 or 3, depending on the direction. Now add a mirror modifier to reflect the structure along the X-axis. Before applying the modifier, make sure to press Ctrl and A and select Apply Rotation to ensure everything mirrors properly. Right-click the object and choose Set Origin to 3D Cursor to ensure the mirroring aligns as intended. To check your work in the camera view, select the camera and press Ctrl and 0 to snap to the camera. You should see the wooden structure correctly mirrored. Next, unhide the duplicate you created earlier. Rotate it by pressing R, X and 90 and adjust its height to something taller, like 16 meters or 17 meters, depending on your needs. Once it's positioned, right-click and choose Set Origin to 3D Cursor again. Add a mirror modifier to reflect it properly across the scene. If you want to add another wooden structure, duplicate one of the existing ones with Shift and D. Delete the mirror modifier if needed. Place it manually for better precision. Adjust the position and rotation until it fits nicely in the composition. That's it for the wooden structures. Everything is looking great so far. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to save your work and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.